Now, a very important question. Do you think these metals, when they're just kept anywhere, do they react with air? Actually, you might not be able to see them, but they do react with air. And when they do, they just don't have any option but to keep calm and love oxygen. That is their motto. So when metals react with oxygen, almost all metals react with oxygen to form metal oxide, but the reactivity differs for different metals. Let's see, when metal reacts with oxygen, it gives you metal oxide. Remember, when I tell you metal reacts with oxygen gives you metal oxide, I never said metal plus oxygen is equal to metal oxide. I'll give you the reason why I told you this in a short time. Na and K being the most reactive, Katrina, Ne, they being the more reactive elements react with oxygen even at room temperature. You just have to keep them around and they'll just react. You know why? Because sodium and potassium are so reactive. As soon as they see oxygen, all the feelings that they've bundled up for years, they just come out in a fraction. You know, that is how when potassium and oxygen react, they form potassium oxide and sodium oxide. Now tell me, what will the reaction end like? K plus O2 will give me, your answer would be KO2. Again, this is not algebra. This is chemistry, my dear student. You have to use the valencies. K valency is 1, O valency is 2. However different it sounds, but it will always form K2O1. K2O, that is potassium oxide. K and O2 will react and form always potassium oxide, that is K2O. Now, if you're smart enough, you'll always tell me what will Na and O2 give me. It will again give me Na2O. Na valency is 1, O valency is 2, crisscross, and it forms Na2O. That's sodium oxide. Let's balance the first reaction. K was just 1 on the left hand side, K was 2 on the right hand side, so I multiplied it by 2. Oxygen is 2 and oxygen is 1 on the right hand side, so you'll multiply the right hand side compound by 2, making it 2K2O. But K gets disturbed, K becomes 4 and left hand side K is just 2. So multiply that 2 by 4. Na is 1 on the left hand side, 2 on the right hand side. So you'll multiply Na by 2. When O is 2 and O is 1, you multiply 1O by 2, making Na 4. Multiply by 2, 2 into 2 is 4. This is how you balance chemical equations. So your first step is to find what will react with what. Your second step is to crisscross the valencies and form the corresponding compounds. And your third step, the one which you'll tend to forget, is balancing the chemical equations.